Good afternoon, I am Federica, and today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Gabriel. Gabriel joined our funded trader program last December on the 28th and hit his first 10% target on the 29th of January. So just 1 month for him to reach his first 10% target. So first of all, congratulations, Gabriel, and very well done. Hitting your first 10% on your account. And now let's have a look at the equity line first of all. And the first thing that we want to mention is the fact that Gabriel never went in negative territory. In fact, we can see that since he first joined the program, he went just one way up, and in fact, just a few days after, he was already up 3.65% on his account. By the end of the mid-January, it was up almost 8% on his account, and then from that point onward, he went one way up towards his target. Let's have a look at the statistics. We can see here an average daily return of 0.29%, which is really good, with a monthly percent of 9.66%. Of course, that is an average because, as we mentioned, it took for him just 1 month to reach his first 10%. And we can see here an average drawdown of 3.92%. Of course, this is a floating drawdown, a trailing drawdown. In fact, we already mentioned how he never went in negative territory. Now, let's have a look at the advanced statistics. Gabriel only took 69 trades with a profitability rate of 58%, which is slightly more than the half. And we can see here an average win of 21 pips with an average loss of 15 pips, we can see his best trade in terms of dollars as well as in terms of pips was on the 21st of January. In terms of dollars, he gained $376 with 75 pips. Regarding his worst trade, it was on the 19th of January. He lost $343 with 71 pips. Okay. Let's also have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most. And we can see here 38 positions opened on the cable, on the pound dollar. He gained 351 pips on this pair, resulting in a profit of $1,635, which is really, really good. We can also see good results here, for example, on the position he opened on the dollar CAD, 6 position opened. He gained 74 pips, resulting in a profit of $290. Very good. Let's have a look also at the negative side, and we can see here on the pound yen, 18 position, he lost altogether 96 pips, resulting in a loss of $475. We also see good profits here on the position he opened on the pound CAD, as well as on the one position he opened on the euro dollar. So overall, very good, very well done. Let's have a look also at the history. Let's go back to the first page when he joined the company, as I was saying, on the 28th of December. At the beginning, he was trading at 0.3, 0.2, and then just slightly after, he started to go full lot available for him, 0.5 for his position. In fact, yes, he was going full lot almost straight away. And in fact, we mentioned that it only took for him few positions, actually, only 69 trades for him. 29th of January when he hit his first 10% target, and now of course he's managing the $30,000 account, so he's still trading for us at the moment with the second account. Okay, very good, very well done. Now let's have a look at the average trade length. We can see here 8 hours and 30 minutes. From duration scatter plot, we can see how the majority of all these trades were held for less than 18 hours. Few other positions were held for longer, no more than 3 days altogether. And what we want to highlight here is that among the positions held for longer than 18 hours, just one position was a negative one. All the rest were positive positions. So good, very, very well done, Gabriel. And keep going, and I look forward to do the second review of your account.